And I'd like to welcome all of you students and parents to our first virtual open house from Randolph County Board of Education. This one is for first grade. I'd like to welcome you on behalf of Superintendent John Jacobs and the Randolph County Board of Education. My name is Jennifer Braden, and I'm the curriculum coordinator for the district. As a virtual student, we would like to ask that you remain virtual for at least the first 9 weeks, if not longer. The first day of school for virtual students, it should be August 27th, and that's this Thursday. However, that could vary depending on grade level and subject level and availability of assignments. And I'll let your teachers discuss that with you. I'd like to introduce Mr. Kalen Daniel. He's the technology coordinator for Randolph County Schools.
Good morning, everyone. By now, your homeschool should have contacted you about your child's Chromebook and how to pick that up. If you've not been contacted, please contact your child's homeschool. Support this year will be provided by the teachers for any programs that they use during their course. Support for Chromebooks will be provided by the media specialists at each school. And you will receive their contact information, their email addresses within the Schoology course, or you can use the Parent Academy for Technology website that's been created for you. We created this to give you a resource so that you know what or how to use everything and what we're using. And it will be updated as we go through the year. You can access this website by going to the Technology Department on the randolphboe.org website and clicking the Parent Academy for Technology link. We're going to be using multiple platforms this year. The first one we're going to use is the Chromebooks, and those Chromebooks are being provided by the school system so that you can access all of our other platforms. Log in to each Chromebook with your school's student or your student's school email address. The password will be the same as when they left school in the spring for returning students. If your student is a new student, you will receive this password and email address from your teacher. If a password needs to be reset, please contact your teacher and they'll contact me to get that password reset. All instruction will be delivered through Schoology. You can log into Schoology at randolphboe.schoology.com. Your login will be your student's school email address and password. All announcements, assignments, links, and any other course materials will be posted in Schoology. Other programs will also be used, such as iExcel, STAR, Schools PLP, Epic Books, and others that the teacher will designate and link within Schoology. If you have any questions, please contact me at the Randolph County Board of Education, 256-357-4611, extension 2015. Or you can email me, cdaniel@randolphboe.org.
Thanks, Mr. Daniel. Next, I would like to introduce to you your PE teacher for first grade. This is Mr. Scotty Patillo. He is based at Woodland High School. So, Coach Patillo, would you like to talk to us a little bit about first grade PE?
Sure. Hey, guys, I'm Coach Patillo again. I'll be your first grade PE teacher. I'm looking forward to a great year. If you need anything, you can contact me through my email. Once you log into Schoology, you'll see my email and contact information there. So if you have any questions or need any help with anything, just feel free to let me know. Be expecting some fun things, some fun exercises, fun games we're going to play together. I'm looking forward to it. I'm excited.
Patillo. Next, your core instructional teacher for first grade is Miss Nashala Rich. She is based out of Wedowee Elementary School. So, Miss Rich, tell us a little bit about your class.
Hi, my name is Nashala Lewis Rich. I go by Mrs. Rich. I will be your first grade virtual teacher for this year. Everything I'm doing is going to be Schoology based. So when you log on to Schoology, I will have an introduction up for you, and it'll give you information on how to contact me by my school email, class dojo, and of course, WS school office. I look forward to our year together. It's going to be very different, but I know that if we come together to work with the goal of helping our students accomplish the most they can accomplish out of this experience, then we should have a good year. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rich. Your teachers will spell out more about their schedules, et cetera, in their Schoology classes, so you can see that. I do want to point out to you parents that attendance is mandatory for virtual school, and your teachers will post a daily assignment that the students will have to answer. It may be a question, it may be to respond in another way, such as to post a response or a picture, whatever it may be, but the teachers will check attendance. So please keep up with that for us. All of the links that we have talked about for Schoology and for the Parent Academy for Technology will be sent to your first grade virtual teachers, and they will share that information with you so that you will have that. Again, my name is Jennifer Braden. I'm the curriculum coordinator here. You may reach me at the Randolph County Board of Education. The phone number is 256-357-4611, extension 2013. Or you may email me at jbraden, BRADEN, @randolphboe.org. Thank you.